Home Remedies presents
Cuts cough like a knife. Cleanse the liver, bronchitis, angina, bowel, natural antibiotic. Today I will share with you an effective home remedy that can be used by children and adults. When you have bronchitis, it's important to loosen the mucus in your chest so you can cough it up and breathe more easily. The best way to thin mucus is to drink plenty of fluids like water, diluted fruit juices, herbal teas and clear soups. Aim for 8 to 12 glasses a day. Warm fluids like water and tea can help to thin mucus, reducing chronic cough. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 orange, 1 clove of garlic, 10 grams ginger, 1 teaspoon honey. Directions: take an orange and cut it from top only, the head as shown in the picture. Remove some pulp from the top to add the ingredients in it. Take the garlic clove and chop it. Take the ginger peel and chop it as well. Now add all the ingredients on the orange top along with honey. Close it with the head of it, which we cut off, and leave to infuse for 2 hours. After 2 hours, using a juicer, extract the juice from this orange completely. For children from 2 years, 2 teaspoons per day. For those over 12 years, you can drink the full mixture at once.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.